Trial.
Get noticed in this 2013 Honda Civic. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.